What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to talk about what is high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the products that I promote and the strategies that I'm using to make commissions. So check this out. High ticket affiliate marketing is the process of promoting products or services that have a high value, such as jewelry, electronics, software, and marketing programs. So in my case, I promote marketing programs. So these are some examples of high ticket products, and some of the benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing include higher commissions. So this is the main reason why I promote high ticket products, is because we can lead to more significant earnings per sales, and as well affiliates can generate substantial revenue with fewer conversions. So which is really cool if you are going to promote high ticket products. So let me show you some of my earnings. So this is my affiliate dashboard for one of the high ticket products that I promote, which is Freedom Accelerator. And if I scroll down, these are my latest payments. You can see that here I earn $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. Now I'm going to show you another example because I promote software as well. So this is not a high ticket product, but as an affiliate marketers, we can promote software. And this is the affiliate dashboard for Funnel Freedom. This is an email. This is a funnel builder, email marketing. This is like all-in-one affiliate marketing software. And as you can see, I have sent to this company 18 referrals, and I have right now $38 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% commission, and as well for Freedom Accelerator, they pay 40% commission. Now let me show you the high ticket product that I promote. It's this one, Freedom Accelerator, and I promote this high ticket product through this low ticket, which is the 73rd challenge. Why? Because it's difficult to make a sale of $1,997, and that is why instead of sending my affiliate link for the high ticket product, I send the link for the 73rd challenge, because the price of the challenge is only $9. And if someone wants to get access to the high ticket product in the future, they can buy the Freedom Accelerator, and I'm going to make that commission. So my main strategy is that I refer people to this challenge, and if they buy, I can make the commission 40% of $9. And if that same person wants to scale their affiliate business to the next level, and if they buy the Freedom Accelerator product, this digital training, I can make that commission. So, and that is how I'm making those commissions. I don't promote Freedom Accelerator directly. I promote the 72-hour challenge, those links. Now, let me show you another high ticket product. This is another example, Legendary Marketer. This is the 15-day challenge. So in this case, I only have the 15-day challenge unlocked, but this whole training is excellent for any person who wants to start affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, utilizing Dave Sharp's blueprints. So for example, on day number 1, people are going to learn the number 1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. And this online training, this digital training is packed with practical knowledge. So for example, day number 2, the core 4, the top high ticket business models online. And so, and as an affiliate marketers, we can promote these products, Freedom Accelerator and Legendary Marketer. Now let me show you how I'm promoting those products, because what I'm doing is that I'm not sending traffic directly to my affiliate links. what I'm doing is that I'm sending traffic to a sales funnel, and I'm utilizing this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So check this out. I'm going to click on. So first of all, I'm here on the Funnel Freedom tab because here I have pasted all my affiliate links for these products, the 70 challenge. But check this out. I have here. This is my affiliate link for Legendary Marketer. I have as well my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator, for Funnel Freedom, which is the software secret of success, and I'm promoting all of those products with the system. So I'm promoting GetResponse, Udemy, and these are my supporting offers. But more importantly, my high ticket products, my main core offers are Freedom Accelerator and Legendary Marketer. So these are the two high ticket products that I'm promoting. Now my strategy is simple. I just copy and pasted my affiliate links inside of that page, and then I'm utilizing this sales funnel. Now let me show you the sales funnels, because this is important, because these are the steps of this funnel. So it has the free course opt-in page, and it has a bridge page, and then it has this members area module, which is a free training that I'm giving away for the email. So check this out. I'm going to open the opt-in page. So this is a simple page that I'm using to collect the information of the prospect, which is the name and the email. So I send traffic to this page, and when people see this page, they will read the title, they will read this information, they will scroll down, they will see my own photo because I'm building my own personal brand, and they will read here free course, and that free course is my lead magnet. So what is that? The lead magnet is something that we need to give in exchange for the email, because people are not going to put their information, their name and their email just because you tell them, hey, write your best information. You need to give something. So I'm giving away this free course, and if people want to get access to this course, they need to write their name, their email, and if they want, their phone number. Now Funnel Freedom is going to send the free course through email. So, and that is how I'm promoting one of the high ticket products, which is Free Accelerator. So check this out. So people are going to receive this free course. It has 7 lessons. And for example, when they go to part number 7, so they can click here, they will watch this lesson. So this course was created by Jonathan Montoya. And then if people keep scrolling down, check this out, they will find here buttons. For example, this button where it says check out Freedom Accelerator is when people click this button, they will go to my affiliate link for this high ticket product. And as well, I have here another button for Funnel Freedom, which is the software. And that is how I'm promoting one of the high ticket products, by giving people valuable information, which is the free course. So people can click here on the part number 6, they will watch this lesson, and they will find here more buttons. So these are, so all of these buttons go to my affiliate links. For example, here I have a button to go to my Freedom Accelerator affiliate link, which is the high ticket product that I'm promoting. Check out check out Freedom Accelerator. And that is how I'm promoting products, guys, by giving them valuable information. Now, not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to have an ordering sequence. In an ordering sequence, which are basically emails that Funnel Freedom is going to start sending to my email list. So when people receive all those emails and they click the links inside of the emails, people will be clicking my affiliate links. And some of those emails are to promote the Legendary Marketer product. or program. So let me click on, I think one of those emails are inside of this workflow. And so, and I didn't write these emails by myself. So basically what I did is that I bought Funnel Freedom because it has all the system integrated. So check this out. Here, so supporting offer number 2, legendary marketer. So my email list is going to receive this email, and inside of that email, people will click my affiliate link. I have another email to promote legendary marketer, which is the second, my second high ticket product. So, and as you can see in the screen, I have one person waiting on this step. So when this person waits 2 days, Funnel Freedom is going to send this email. And that is how I'm promoting legendary marketer. Then Funnel Freedom is going to wait for another day to send the next email, which is the legendary marketer review. And that is how I'm promoting high ticket products, guys. So I'm not sending traffic to my affiliate links. I'm sending traffic to this funnel, and then Funnel Freedom, which is the software that you are seeing on the screen, it's helping me to promote high ticket products and also supporting offers. I'm promoting Get Response, Repurpose.io, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. Those are tools that high quality tools that I'm promoting to my email list. And my main traffic source is YouTube. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating content on my English YouTube channel because I have another one. I have a Spanish YouTube channel. But to promote these products, Freedom Accelerator and Legendary Marketer, I have this English YouTube channel. And what I do is that I create content about those products. For example, Freedom Accelerator review. So check this out. I have here all of those videos. And for example, the first one has 319 views. And so when people watch my videos, the next one has 58 views. I have another one of 390 views. And when people watch my videos, they will go to my links in the description of the videos. And when they click those links, people will be clicking the links of my sales funnel. And if they put their information, they will start receiving all of those products. They will start receiving all of the emails that I have ready to be sent to my email list to promote multiple products. So that is why I'm focusing on building and growing my own email list. So, and I have another software that I'm utilizing to do email marketing, which is Get Response. As you can see on the screen, I have collected in this Get Response account 1,428 emails. And basically, that is what I do, guys. Another example of free traffic strategies. So are Instagram and TikTok, and I'm going to show you how I'm utilizing those social media platforms to drive traffic to my sales funnel. So check this out. Here I'm documenting my journey with affiliate marketing. For example, day 145, day 144, and these videos, day 142, day 141. So I'm uploading these same videos on my Instagram account. So here I have all of those videos, and as well on my TikTok account. So let's see if this. Okay, so this is my TikTok. Let me put here, okay, and I'm creating these videos in which I'm documenting my own journey, and in my bio. So let me see. So let me check. So okay, so in my bio, I have put this link, and this link is the link of my funnel to collect emails. So that is how I'm utilizing TikTok. I'm creating all of this content and I uploading those same videos on my Instagram account, on my Facebook account, and my YouTube Shorts account. So for example, on my Instagram account, what I have here is that I have put the link of my YouTube channel because I want to drive more traffic to my YouTube channel. But on my TikTok account, this is the link of my sales funnel. And in my YouTube channel, I have here my own domain. And when people click this link, they will go to my sales funnel, because what I'm doing is that I'm focusing on collecting leads, because the more leads I collect, the more money I make. And if we want to build a long-term affiliate business, it's important to collect emails, guys. It's important to collect leads. So, and those are my strategy, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.